Understanding how KDP royalties work is very, very important. Remember, this is a business just like any other. And a good business is a business which is able to give you profit at the end of it all, as you are also providing value for your customers, or you're solving a particular problem. So now let us start with the ebooks. The royalties of the ebooks are 35% and 70%. So when we are talking of the 70%, the book price must be between $2.99 and $9.99 and must be available in certain countries like US, UK, Canada. Then for the 35%, which is lower but flexible, the book price is between $0.99 to all the way to $200. So your book will either fall on the 70% or on the 35%, depending on the price which you've put. So now, which should you choose for the ebooks? If the price is between $2.99 and $9.99, you can go for 70%, and for the low priced books, of course, go for 35%. But it's good when you're pricing, check how the other books in the market related to that particular area which you're publishing, how much they are being sold at, or what is the best price which is going, if not the best price, at least the average price. Then we have the KDP paperback and hardcovers. The royalty is 60%, and this is the formula. So your earnings will equals to 60% of the price of the book minus the printing cost. So for example, if I have a book whose price is $9.99 and the 60% of that is $5.99, and my printing cost is $2.5, for example, then the profit will be $3.49 per sale. So it's good I ensure that I sell as many copies as possible by also marketing my books. For the, when you look at the page count, the more pages, of course, the higher cost of printing. The color versus black versus white, for the color pages cost more, and the larger books also cost more. So how do you set the right price? What do you consider when setting the price? You can check the production cost, ensure that even after the printing, the shipping, and the distribution costs, that you'll get at least some profit. The market competition, how the other books are doing. Perceived value, some books are perceived to be of higher value when the price is higher. And also finally, I'm going to give you my recommendation of pricing strategy. For the Kindle ebook, you can, if you're pricing at $2.99 to $99.9, that will give you a 70%. For the low content paperback, you can consider between $6 and $12. For the journals, $7 and $14. For the hardcovers, $14 to $29. But still, the choice depends on you. Yeah, so these are my final thoughts now. KDP is a great way to make passive income, but understanding the royalties, pricing, and market reach is important. Price your books strategically to maximize profits, but remember, there is also you must market them. Publish your book in multiple formats. I had said this earlier. And expand your reach with Kindle Unlimited. I will be explaining later. Amazon ads and expanded distribution. Thank you for watching. Like the video, share, and subscribe.